Apple has just rolled out iOS 18 Beta 6 and iOS 18.1 Beta 2. Packed with several notable changes and tricks, the latest betas are worth taking a close look at, especially if you have a liking for beta testing and enjoy digging into the pre-release software. That said, let's get started. Apple has added the distraction control feature to Safari in iOS 18.1 Beta 2. For folks who are unaware, distraction control is a brand new Safari feature that is designed to let you hide distracting elements from web pages and articles. You can use the feature to hide unwanted web page elements such as sign-in windows, cookie preference pop-ups, newsletter sign-up videos, GDPR banners, and more. Keep in mind that distraction control is not an ad removal tool. Though it does allow you to temporarily hide an ad, the hidden ads will return when you refresh the web page. In other words, the distraction control feature has been created to take control of static content and not dynamic content. A good many users have lambasted the redesigned Photos app in iOS 18. As a result, Apple has made some changes to the design of the Photos app. Though the all-in-one design has remained the same, Apple has removed the carousel to make the app more straightforward and clear. Note that Apple introduced these design changes in the standard iOS 18 update last week and has now implemented them in iOS 18.1 Beta 2 as well. In the previous versions of iOS 18, you had to swipe left to right to access collections. However, in the latest beta, you can now access collections by just scrolling down from the main library view. Collections include things like your custom albums and content that was previously in the For You section, such as featured images, videos, favorites, memories, and more. It's also worth highlighting that the photo library now shows more images at once in the Photos grid. Besides, the latest beta has also moved the albums higher by default to make it a bit more convenient for you to access them. Recently saved content has now been integrated into recent days so that you can find them without any hassle at all, which is also a welcome change. When the dark mode icons are active on your iPhone, apps continue to maintain the dark theme. When you receive notifications, apps remain in the dark mode in the notification center instead of turning into light mode. Bear in mind that in the iOS 18.1 Beta 2, both dark mode and dark mode icons must be enabled for notifications to have the darker icon. However, in iOS 18 Beta 6, dark mode icons will appear with the darker icons enabled. Yeah, the dark mode is not required in the iOS 18 Beta 6. In the latest betas, Apple has added a new toggle for turning Bluetooth on and off. Interestingly, this toggle is separate from the general communication controls. Moreover, you can add it to any control center page on your iPhone. On top of all, you can also show the handy Bluetooth toggle on the lock screen in place of the camera or the flashlight, or assign it to the action button based on your preference. Additionally, Apple has also made some changes to the way control center icons are organized in the gallery. For example, the text line has placed camera, scan QR code, and magnifier inside the capture section, which appears to be a pretty good move. In the latest betas, the tints that you apply to your icon's matte wallpapers will now be linked to that wallpaper only rather than the system. As a result, when you change your wallpaper on your iPhone, all of your icons will change as well if you have set them to be tinted to a wallpaper color. For a seamless viewing experience, it seems to be a decent adjustment. In the second beta of iOS 18.1, the Apple Intelligence comes with new localized versions of English. The new options include Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, South Africa, India, Singapore, which are in addition to the previous US, UK, and Australia localization options. A number of people located in the European Union have confirmed that they can now enable and use Apple Intelligence by setting their region to the United States and language to US English. So, if you are from EU, this should be good news to you. Hooray! And finally, Apple has removed the Browse tab in the Apple Music app and added the new tab in its place. And that's all there is to it. So these are the major changes to iOS 18 Beta 6 and iOS 18.1 Beta 2. Now let me know your thoughts about these tricks, and I'll see you in the next video with more latest beta updates. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.